This thing is when I was in science lab, I do it. Like, first of all, if I use the question and I answer the right answer, this will grow up. For example, what is my dad's name? My dad's name is Lai, so it grow up. But if I try the other thing, it wouldn't be able to grow up. And the second, what food do I like to eat? This does not work. This does not work. This works. This does not work. So the answer is, if you answer the right answer, it's of the question, this will grow up. This is the back of that thing. Here's your battery. And here's a nail for actually. Actually, I should say 8. And that's why you see this. When this was open, you can grab that in, so you won't be able to keep touching it. And here's more. And remember, everything should be connected the right answer. Like this is what year did I born in? So this is the thing that connected. So when it went to here, 2000. So this cannot connect to this, otherwise it will be a incorrect answer. I guess I'm done.